In this video, I'll show you how to install or replace ink cartridges in the HP Envy 6120E printer. To access the ink trays, rotate your printer to the left or right and you'll see that there's a handle here. Simply lift it up. It will stay held up by itself, so you don't need to hold it. You also need to make sure the printer is turned on so that the ink trays are accessible. Remove your ink cartridges from the packaging and remove any orange strip on the front of them, and make sure not to touch the contact head. To insert the ink, we have the color and the black on the right. Make sure you install them in the right place. We'll do the color first. I like to hold it like this, and we're simply gonna glide it into the slot. We'll do the same with the black ink cartridge now. Place it in like this. Then you need to give it one more final push at the bottom until it clicks into place like this. And they're now installed. To replace the ink cartridges, you're going to place your finger or thumb at the bottom of the ink cartridge and press it downwards until it comes out of place like this. And then simply pull it out. So don't be afraid to apply a bit of pressure when pushing the ink cartridges down. Then finally, all you need to do now is close the printer lid, and it's now complete. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.